Hello, all of my internet friends. How are you? We are in a professional bedroom studio, bringing you crafts Monday through Friday. Yes, very professional.
This is a professional bedroom.
It is a professional bedroom. Yes,
look at the pillows.
So we're just gonna get started because this does take a while. I am an amateur flower arranger. We have all the things and all the stuffs and all of that. We are going to use some of the fall words, one of them, actually not some, one. This is what we're actually gonna be arranging in, guys. Are you ready? It's a picture. It's a picture. It's from the Target. All right, so let's get going. Let's get moving and grooving. This is our picture. These are all pieces from Dollar Tree foam, and I just like cut them up and I hot glued them together and shoved them down in there to fill this up. This is the Spanish moss from the Dollar Tree as well. I decided I wanted to put some of this on here. This is so messy. It's like so messy, but I think it looks good. I am gonna glue this to the top of here, and I already got my glue all juiced up and ready to go. I should have pre-done some things and I didn't pre-do anything. I'm gonna just cut some of these so they're gonna go flinging. Oh, they didn't fling too bad. These are probably too long. That's fine. I think I'm gonna go with this guy in the middle. I'm gonna trim it just a little bit, guys. And you're gonna say, why are you trimming it, Cheri? I'm gonna say, I don't know. I feel like I need to trim it, guys. So that's why I'm trimming it. So that's why we were doing it. We're gonna ram it with a little pin, ram it in there to make a hole. Because if there ain't a hole, you gotta make a hole, guys. Now, I'm gonna get some glue on the end of my 20 gauge. I think it's 20 gauge, yep. From the Wally World, that's where I got that. Get a little bit of glue, swirl it, put it in the hole, ram it in there. Ding-a-ling, ding-dong, there we go. And we're gonna go right dead center with this.
I think that's good, honestly.
Do you think so? Done! We're done!
I'm in love.
Shut up.
I'm all for that minimalism.
So we're gonna use some of this. We're gonna pull some of these pieces off. So now we're gonna do some greens. I'm using just a push pin. I'm shoving it up in there again. We're shoving again. And then we're pushing it through the sidewall. See how I pushed a hole through there? Oh, look, you can see it. See. Okay, so we shove that through there and then we pull this around to make a little loop. And then that's how I wire them. Okay. Okay, we're gonna start putting more flowers in. I think we're gonna come in with these guys. This is what we got. I'm thinking I go those two together on that side, and then these two together on that side, opposite. Let's see. Now we gotta fill in with more. We need more. Let's get some naturals, I think. We're gonna go like cluster.
Yeah, we're gonna cluster it.
We're gonna cluster.
Yeah.
Yep, cluster.
I'm all for it.
But I feel like...
What do you feel?
Okay, I'm gonna put this here, and then we're gonna come in over here, I think. I'm liking it, but I don't know. Let's do some pine cones. And those I bought at the Hobby Lobby. Let's just start with a big one here. I have to get enough around here to be able to wire around through the little, what would they be called? So what would those be called? Like the little, these little pieces of pine cone. But see, I just do it like that, see? And then we can stick it in there. I think I come in, we need like...
Yeah.
Okay, so maybe we'll come in with a natural here. I think I'm gonna use these cute little rosette ones because they're different. Let me tell you, that looks pretty stinking cute from that upward view. But I wanna put blessed on here from the fall words. So we gotta put blessed on the back so that I know that's the back. I've gotta use my tacky towel here and fuzz my stencil. So I think now I need to figure out where I want to put it. I think we'll go up a little higher here. Do you guys think it's going uphill? No, maybe not. Maybe it's okay. I still think it's going uphill. Okay, we don't care. I think it's going to be cute. I think it's cute. I think it added an extra level of cuteness. So there we go. So this is what we did. It's so nice because I have these beautiful arrangements sitting around, little ones, and they don't die. So thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.